Alright, here we go, guys and gals. CheFPV here, Zero Ground FPV, baby. We're at our good, trusty, and true Rosewood Park. They finally got it all grass cut. There you go, J-Rob. Let's come fly. So, strapped into the Ex-Murderer by Trouble Blades Inc. And we're going to see if we can catch a train ride here in a minute whenever it comes by. Until then, enjoy the ride. Now that was a proper ride. That was some fun, man. Haven't been out to this park in a minute, especially with the grass cut, and we might have stressed that pack a little bit. I do feel it warm on my hand. Usually these tattoos ain't that warm, but Coolio Julio, let's try it again.